Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you this battery organizer that I've been having for the last I bought it like 2 years ago. Um, I had a live stream a few months back, and somebody saw this and they wanted me to make a review on it. So here it is. This is the batteryorganizer.com. It comes with a tester. It can hold up to 180 batteries. The list price on this is $29.99 on Amazon. However, I think you can get it. I saw it, just checked it earlier today. $26.68. And this holds up to 180 batteries. Okay, so you got your AA here. 8 AA batteries you can hold here. 10 C batteries. 8 9-volt. And I am not even going to begin to count how many. A bunch of AAA batteries here. Of course, I need to stock up on this. AA batteries you have here. And you have in the back. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. A bunch of them in the back. And they maximize the space here. You can even put 2 AAA batteries in here. So they really maximize the space. So this opens one. This is the back end of it. You can open it and it snaps on. And flip it the other way. Open this side. Okay, again, you can maximize here. You can put a couple of AAA batteries here. I also like the tester. It comes with the tester. So for example, let's just test this battery right here. A Duracell battery. And we just want to make sure you line that up there. Of course, it can test D, C, AA, AAA, and 9-volt. The 9-volt right there, you test the 9-volt right there. Okay, this is pretty cool. Pretty handy, as you can see. Battery's still good. So that'll stay in the storage. And also, let me show you this compartment right here. Let me try to flip it this way. Actually get closer. You can see it closer. Small compartment here. This is where I put my computer type batteries and so on. Or, you know, any type of small, like those watch batteries or whatever. You put them all in there. Of course, you got your tester. It's pretty cool. And like I said, holds 180 batteries. This is great storage for, in case you have an emergency, you have a power outage. You have everything in one central location. You have everything in this case that you need for any event like that. Okay? And like I said, the list price on this is $29.99. Of course, I'm going to put the Amazon link below. You can buy it for $26.80. $26.68. I saw it. They have several colors. I believe it's 7 colors or 8 colors. I'm not sure. I got mine in purple. And once you put these batteries in, it does weigh quite a bit. But like I said, I had this for a couple of years now. It really is a lifesaver. And I suggest everybody, you should get one of these. Storage, battery storage with the tester. Okay? And I'm going to put the Amazon link in the description. And there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, share the video. And also subscribe to my channel for more product reviews like this one. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.